poofy the rice is. See how cloudy the water is? So I left it in for 3 days. 3 days. And then this rice, yeah, I'm just gonna throw it away. I don't like to waste food, but there's nothing I can do about it. Oh, probably I could recycle this rice and just put some water in and make another batch for next. I'm gonna keep this in the fridge, and I'm only gonna use it when I'm ready to do my hair or my daughter's hair. Right now I'm protected styling. I'm gonna leave this in for about like 4 more weeks, and then I'm gonna take it out and start with the rice water. So this smell is very bad for me. I don't think my husband's gonna be able to manage this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some tea tree oil in, and that's also good for the hair. Some rosemary oil in, and then lavender to help. This worked. I can stand this now. This is better. So guys, if you guys cannot stand the smell, just add in some essential oil. You can use probably 1 or 2 or 3. For me, I'm going to use 3. The tea tree oil, rosemary oil, and lavender essential oil. It actually do kill the smell. I think I'm going to apply this while I'm protected styling. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just pat my hair, spray it on my scalp when I'm ready to wash my hair, because even though I'm protected styling, but I'm going to wash this hair once a week. So I'm going to spray this on my scalp probably like an hour before, and then let it sit in for an hour, and then I will go and wash my hair. So I can even do it while protected styling, because the smell really did go. The smell is not there again at all. It worked. It really do work. So if you guys cannot stand the smell, do it. Okay, so I'm gonna probably, I've already done the length check, so I'm gonna do a length check maybe after 3 months, and then I will do another one again at 6 months. So wish me good luck. If you like what you see, please hold a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you're gonna try the rice water, and subscribe. Bye.